Ciao and welcome to this new Teach Italia lesson. Today we are going to see the courtesy pronoun. Let's start by saying that in English there's only the form you. So whether you are talking to your best friend or with a stranger, you always say you. In Italian, it's not like that. In Italian, there's the so-called courtesy pronoun. In the previous video, we have already seen the personal pronouns. When you are talking to a friend or to a person that you know, you use tu to refer to the person you're talking with. But things change when you are talking to a stranger, especially someone older than you. In that case, you should use the courtesy pronoun lei. It is used also when you know a person, but for respect you take a distance, like a professor, your boss, or as mentioned, someone older than you. Let's analyze these two scenes. In the first scene, I'm with a friend, so it's an informal situation. My friend has an orange, and I tell him or her, tu hai un'arancia. I'm using tu because I'm with someone I know very well. In the second scene, I'm in front of a man. He is older than me, and to be gentle, I use the courtesy form lei ha un'arancia. As you have noticed, the form is the same as she has an orange, meaning a third feminine singular person. The courtesy pronoun is the same as a third person, and so is the verb conjugation. It's used to be written with a capital letter, but you can also find it without, especially in the modern written language. There is no difference for what concerns the gender of the person you are talking to. If you are talking to a man or to a woman, you still have to use lei as the courtesy pronoun. Its use is something about respect. In fact, you use it with people you don't know to show respect for someone who is older than you. You use it when you go to shops, at school, at university, at work. The other person can then ask you to use tu instead of lei, but you should wait for them to tell you. In fact, if you immediately start using tu, it may look rude sometimes. Is there a courtesy pronoun in your native language? Let me know in the comments. Grazie, al prossimo video. Ciao!